Hey everyone, hopefully you find this well. This is Shane, and I'm going to go through how to make a video using Camtasia and then also how to upload it to YouTube. And, I guess you could potentially, in Teams, you could be talking to your class and perhaps after you've actually made an instructional video, and then you could perhaps just talk about, or they can show you their work. And yeah, so at the moment, what we have to do is, at the moment, the screen is recording. So everything that's happening on the screen is actually happening in the background. So you can actually see this stuff from Specialist Maths Proofs at the moment. So of course, if you wanted to, you can go ahead and, for example, and everything that is happening on the screen now is being captured through Camtasia. Now I'm going to flip my laptop around and I'm going to go to another page, and everything that is happening now on this screen is being recorded. So in order to do this, I think I find it easy if so everything is being captured now. So what I do is, let's say I have a Word document that I want, I just simply copy and paste that into the OneNote. So I might just create my new page, and at the moment I'm going to use, let's just say if I wanted vectors, and I'm going to copy that. And then I just simply right click and paste, but instead of pasting, attaching a file, we just want to insert the printout, which means that you'll be able to write over that Word document or whatnot. Okay, so of course, give that some time, and now, as you can see, I can go ahead and everything on the screen. If you want, I can actually see this little button here. I can minimize this, so this is still recording in the background. And if I want to pause it, so I'm just about to pause it now, I can actually set up a button. I've used Control P to pause it, or I could just click on the pause button. Okay, so I've just resumed this video, and as you can see, we can go through our lesson and do whatever you like. Let's just say I reckon the average video would be sort of 10 to 15, 20 minutes, probably tops. Now, once it gets to the end and you've decided, yep, we're done, then we can actually hit the stop button. Now, once you hit the stop button, this is where I guess it's very hard for me to actually show this, but what will happen is this will actually save this onto your hard drive, and then you can upload it. So what I'm going to do is show you one I prepared earlier. Okay, so if I go to YouTube now, if you have a Gmail account, you can see there, this is my Gmail account, and I've been making YouTubes for a while. But if you have a Gmail account, because YouTube are owned by Google, you can easily do that straight away. Just log in. You can just create videos using your Gmail account. But if you don't, you can just create a Gmail account and sign up to YouTube, and of course you can do it that way. So I just click on here, create a video, and I'm just going to upload the video. And as you can see, so it actually wants a file, and when you make these files, it actually saves them onto your thing. So I've actually got here that they're in videos, and you can see there that these are all the videos I've made just recently on the computer, and they've saved them out in here, and I've called this one test. A video which goes for 5-10 minutes should only take probably around about 4 or 5 minutes to upload. But if you made one for 30-40 minutes, give it a little bit of time. Okay, so I'm just actually uploading this as we speak onto YouTube. I will delete it, and of course you can give it a description. We're just going to call this a test video. I'm going to delete this video as soon as we go. So now just quickly, when we've got some new things in here in regards to children, yes, it's made for kids, which means they're not probably going to show you adult sort of content as far as advertising and things. And then we want to, then I'm just going to pause this for a second because this is in the way. Okay, so you can see I've just hitting next, and in this case I would not suggest to make it private, because then the kids would have to actually be given a password to open it. It's perfectly fine to have public. I have no problem with this being public. I've never had an issue with it being public. And then we just simply go publish. Now that should hopefully, won't take very long because it's a smaller video. It's only 52 seconds, this test one. And in actual fact, that should, so something like for 52 seconds, that should be ready almost straight away. Might take a few minutes. So we can actually go ahead and view that on YouTube. Now this is one I made with someone else. This is actually physically recording my voice. Okay, so now the thing is that you're probably wondering how do I record my voice and things. Well, I just use the HP microphone to do that. But if you want, you can actually get an external microphone or something like that. Sometimes the HP microphones can cut out. Okay, so there you go, that's on there. Now, by the way, we don't want this on there anymore, so I can actually go back and in my videos over here, there's a little dot there, and I can actually go delete forever. Okay, so I'm actually going to delete that. I don't want that on YouTube for all to see. So, oops, download. No, we don't want to do that. We want to delete forever. And now it is gone. Okay, so that's pretty much, you know, I can go through if any of you need a bit of a hand. I'm going to just stop this video now. Once you hit the stop button, it will then basically come up with, the Camtasia software, and then you actually want to click on the share and actually save it as a file. And once you save it as a file, that's where you want to go create and upload the video. Okay, so that step is usually pretty fine. Now, to be honest, once you're in Camtasia, you don't really need to fiddle around. It can actually be quite difficult to use if you want to do editing and things like that. But in all honesty, if you just want to capture the screen, record what you're saying, and then actually upload it, that process is actually pretty easy. So anyway, that's me. I'm going to say goodbye for now. Thank you. All the best.